In this video, let me show you how to earn money in Cash App by playing games. First, you can try using Game Rewards app that pay directly to Cash App. Some mobile games and platforms partner with Cash App to offer rewards for completing tasks such as watching ads, reaching milestone, or logging in daily. Another way to earn is by entering game tournaments that offer cash prizes. Platforms like Skills let you play competitive, skill-based games where you can win money. From there, you can withdraw your winnings to PayPal and then transfer them to Cash App. Referral programs and invite bonuses are also good options. Many gaming apps offer bonuses when your friends sign up and start playing. Just share your referral code on social media and check for daily login or spin bonuses to maximize your earnings. Lastly, if you're into streaming, consider going live on TikTok, YouTube, or Twitch and accept Cash Apps during your streams. Those are some of the best ways to earn money through Cash App by playing games. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.